Hey there, folks. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you know how rewarding that card can be. But let's face it, paying the bill online might feel a bit tricky if you haven't done it before. Don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's quick, secure, and can be done right from your computer or phone. By the end, you'll be a pro at managing your payments and avoiding any late fees. So, grab your device, and let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your Chase account. Head over to the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up using your card details. Once you're in, look for the dashboard or the Accounts section. It's usually right on the home screen. Next, find your Chase Sapphire card in your list of accounts. It might be under Credit Cards or a similar tab. Click on it to open the Details page. Here, you'll see your current balance, due date, and an option to make a payment. Go ahead and select Pay Bill or Make a Payment. It's pretty straightforward. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the payment amount. You can pay the full balance or just the minimum, whatever works for your budget. Then, choose your payment source. This could be a linked bank account, another card, or even a checking account you have with Chase. Double-check the details to make sure everything is accurate. After that, review your payment summary. This is your last chance to catch any errors, like the wrong amount or date. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm or Submit button. You'll get an immediate confirmation on screen, and often an email receipt too, so keep an eye on your inbox. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Always use a secure internet connection to protect your info. Set up autopay if you tend to forget due dates, and check your account regularly for any unusual activity. There you have it. That's how you pay your Chase Sapphire bill online in just a few simple steps. It saves time and keeps you on top of your finances. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.